I just had the best roast chicken on rice for just $10.80 and spicy chicken baked rice for $11.80. Heng Zone is one of our favorite local spots for cheap yet delicious meals. They have a great range of rice, noodle dishes, yam cha dishes, and even desserts for nothing over $12. The braised pork and rib on rice is only $10.80. I love their new Vietnam Hue region spicy noodles. The broth is warm and flavorful with a bit of heat. The egg noodles soaks up the soup. You can get these pork spare ribs for just $11.30, and the lollipop is a great choice if you like sweet, savory, sticky sauces. I found it quite interesting they have this cappuccino dessert with black sesame mochi. Surprisingly, the sweetness balances the coffee so well. We also tried some of their new drinks like gin and feijoa juice and this yuzu shandy, which is a beer cocktail. Okay, bye!